Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to submit a web form to IRCC in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, you need to simply come here on the official website of canada.ca and basically on the web form page. I will try to put the link of this particular page down in the description. So when you are here on this page, you need to make sure that you select the correct category based on your application's type, such as permanent residence, study permit, or visitor visa. So here on this particular page, when you scroll down a bit, it is going to ask you one thing. What do you want to do? So whether you want to update your application, ask about your application, report any technical problem, you want to ask about your programs or services, or you want to share a feedback. So let's say you have selected the option of update your application. Now click on the option of start web form. Now as soon as you do this, the application will be started just like so. So over here, since we have selected the option of updating the information, so it has given me a bunch of different options over here. So you can choose any of these options and follow further on screen instructions in order to update that information. Now, when you start filling the web form, you need to provide your full name, your date of birth, your email address, and you need to ensure that all of the details match to your application exactly. After that, you need to enter your application details like the application number or UCI client identifier. This is going to help IRCC locate your files quickly. In the message box, simply explain your request clearly and concisely. For example, you can ask about the application status, you can submit the additional information, and you can also report the changes like address or travel history. Just keep your message direct and relevant. If needed, you can also upload the documents to support your request. Just make sure that the files are in the accepted formats or within the size limits. After reviewing all of these details, simply click on the option of submit and you will receive a confirmation message and usually an email confirming your submission. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.